Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use dynamic zoom in DaVinci Resolve. Dynamic zoom is an incredibly useful feature for adding movement and emphasis to your video clips without the need for complex keyframing. You can find this powerful tool within the inspector panel on the Edit page. It allows you to simulate camera moves like subtle pushes or dramatic pans, giving your footage a more professional and engaging feel. We will cover the essential steps to get you started right away. To begin using dynamic zoom, first select the desired clip on your timeline. Then, navigate to the inspector panel, which is typically located on the top right of your screen. Within the transform section, you will see a toggle switch labeled dynamic zoom. Simply click this switch to turn it on. Immediately, two distinct rectangles will appear on your viewer, a green one indicating the start frame and a red one for the end frame of your zoom. These are your primary controls. Now that dynamic zoom is active, you can customize its behavior. Drag the green rectangle to define where your zoom or pan will begin, setting both its position and initial magnification. Similarly, drag the red rectangle to establish the final position and zoom level of your shot. For smoother transitions, utilize the Ease drop-down menu in the inspector. Options like linear, ease in, ease out, and ease in and out allow you to control the acceleration and deceleration, making your movements feel more natural and polished. For more advanced control, you can quickly swap the start and end points of your dynamic zoom by clicking the swap button in the inspector. This is handy for reversing a zoom direction instantly. Additionally, for extremely precise adjustments, you can directly input numerical values into the dynamic zoom parameters. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ease settings and combine dynamic zoom with other effects to create truly unique and compelling visual narratives. Practice makes perfect with this versatile tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.